Hi everyone, tonight I'll show you this Nikon FE camera that I have. I want to show you how to expose or use a light meter on this camera. Okay, so you can see here there's the exposure compensation location, and here's the ISO. And how you change the ISO is that you need to press this button, then you can change it. I'm gonna leave it at 100. And how you change this exposure compensation, so you need to pull this up. You need to pull up this dial, pull up, then you can move it about. So I'm gonna leave it at 0. Alright. So yeah. So this is now in auto mode. I'm gonna show you the heads up display. Okay, like many Nikon models, to turn on the meter you need to put it in on mode. If it's off, then the meter goes off like many other Nikon models. So you can see here, the needle is on the top, is in the left bottom part of the viewfinder, and when I turn it on, it goes up. See, off and on, off, on. So you can see that the meter is now on, and at f2.8 you can see the center parts of the camera. Wait. Okay. So if I move the aperture, you can see the center part, the needle goes down. So you can see that the meter actually corresponds to the exposure. See, the needle goes down if I stop down. Alright. Okay, so let's say like f8. At auto or aperture priority mode, the shutter speed will automatically follow the recommended shutter speed according to the needle. If you use manual exposure, then you can see the green, there's like another green thicker needle. So if you match both needles, it means that it's in the proper exposure. You will be having the proper exposure for the picture that you're gonna take. See? So let's say like it's f2.8, okay? So to have a proper exposure, I need to have a higher shutter speed. So I need to put it up, see? So when I match both needles, it means that it's being properly exposed. Alright? So there you go. Besides that, to use exposure compensation, okay, just now .250 shutter speed will expose it properly at 5.6. Let's say I want to stop down by 2 stops. I want to meter down, okay, so -2. So now they will recommend me to actually expose it at 500. Interesting. And if I want to overexpose by 2 stops, it's between 60 and 30. So about I think 50 or 45. Sorry for my math. Okay, anyways, so yeah, this is how the Lightmeter works for the Nikon FE. Plenty of good features. And yeah, there you go. Turn it off. If you like this video or you find it helpful, please like, subscribe and share. And thank you so much for joining by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.